Leaked Samsung Galaxy S9 hands-on fills in some of the gaps. Samsung is set to show off its Galaxy S9 on 25th of February, but the event may be pretty boring for most since nearly everything has leaked already. Now hands-on photos and the release date have appeared online too. We already have a good idea of what to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S9, but we now have a few additional details, thanks to a Reddit user who claims to have used the phone. The user has since deleted their account, and all their posts are gone with it, but the other sites were able to read them first, so we still have a good idea of what was said. First, release date. According to Korea's The Investor, we can expect to have the Samsung Galaxy S9 available to buy from 16 March. Next, those hands-on photos? These appeared on China's Weibo, showing off the Samsung Galaxy S9 in a person's hand, giving it a nice sense of perspective for size. This shows a black model with a single rear camera, which is expected on the S9 only, as the S9 Plus should come with a dual camera setup. You can also see the dedicated Bixby personal assistant activation button on the side, which leaked before. Much of it is reiterating what we've already heard, such as that the Galaxy S9 apparently looks a lot like the Samsung Galaxy S8, albeit with its fingerprint scanner moved beneath the camera lens, and with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus packing a dual-lens camera. They also claimed that the Galaxy S9 range will have stereo speakers, just as we've heard before, with one speaker on the bottom edge and one in the earpiece, leading to a major improvement in sound. A better camera and custom emoji. As for the camera, that will apparently be improved too, offering 4K video recording at higher frame rates than the Galaxy S8, but they added that contrary to some rumors it won't support 1000 FPS slow motion recording. The one other thing they touched on was Samsung's rumored Animoji-like feature, saying they're not a direct rip-off of Animoji, more like a mix between Animoji and Bitmoji. Apparently you create an avatar and can then control its facial features in a similar way to Animoji, but supposedly it looks less polished than Apple's take. It's worth noting that even assuming this information is accurate, it's all apparently based on a handset that's very close to production, so some changes could happen before launch, but this largely lines up with what we've already heard, and just fills in a few gaps.